What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial you're gonna see how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. So to do that, let's head over to the YouTube application, and other than that you can direct go to your Gmail and navigate to your Gmail account and go to manage your Google account. It's rather easy. Then just navigate to your Google account security settings, and in here you'll find manage your devices. As you can see, it is your devices in here. So from here you can go to manage all devices. This might take a while to load. So as you can see, my account is logged in into some devices. What you need to do is just to sign out of the specific device you want to remove access from. You have to just head over to that device, and there will be some options to sign out. Let me show you. So here you have to give your account's password because they need to verify that it's you, and then you can just sign out of the device. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.